Hello, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 and all the updates that comes with it. So I want you to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be giving out two of my subscribers. I'm going to be giving them a sticker from my channel. So kindly make sure you subscribe and click the like button. Now, we know that the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra is out in the market and it's a very nice tablet. The reports we are getting from all our sources suggested that Tab S11 is going to be a very massive tablet when released later this year, according to reports. Now, according to reports, it suggested that Tab S11 will come with armored aluminum for the chassis, which is both stronger and lightweight, along with IP68 water and dust resistant. Tab S11 is going to be a little bit lighter and is going to retain the same display as of S10, but it's going to be a little bit lighter, and of course it's going to come with the same armored aluminum. Let's talk about the display. It's going to come with the AMOLED display according to reports. They say the S11 is going to come with AMOLED display that could be up to 14.6 inches AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz and a resolution potentially exceeding the current 2960 by 1848 of the current X10 Ultra. Now for the chipset, according to news, the S11 is going to come with the MediaTek chipset, just like that of S10 Ultra. But there are also some rumors that suggest that it's going to come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. So we have two conflicting reports about the chipset it's going to use. But let's keep our fingers crossed and see which will Samsung use when they'll be releasing these new tablets. And of course, for the RAM, expect that the RAM will remain the same like that of X10, which comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage with micro SD support. And Samsung may also explore new cooling solution so that the tablet will perform faster and efficiently. Now for the camera, Samsung is not usually concerned about the camera of their tablet except for the S10 Ultra that came with autofocus. But with increased bezel and the hidden camera, the Tab S11 might likely also come with the same features as that of Tab S10 Ultra. But we know that Samsung is going to increase the video capturing capacity or video recording capability up to 4K at 30 frames per second, which could be also a selling point, particularly for remote and the creativity workers. And for the battery life, so Samsung is going to still retain the same battery capacity according to reports that S10 Ultra had, which is 11,200 mAh battery with fast charging of up to 45 watts, is expected to come with the Samsung Tabs S11. Now for the software, the report reaching us is that the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 is going to come with One UI 7 based on Android 16. So this means it's going to be upgraded from that of S10 Ultra of last year that runs on Android 15. So that is all we know. We can see that from the reports that Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 is going to be way better than every other tab that Samsung has ever produced. So like as I promised at the beginning of this video, if you stay to the end of this video, I want you to write like on the comment section so that I will pick the first two subscribers that commented on this video and I will send you my channel sticker. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.